I, Cesar J.C. S.D. Jr., City Mayor of the Local Government Unit of Kawayan City, envisions a community that will provide safe spaces for all. We will fortify the reporting and referral system of GBSH compliant in coordination with service providers. We will also intensify our information drive on the law through IEC materials in our local language, seminars, and other activities. Let us all do our part in ensuring that women, men, and members of the LGBTQIA+ feel safe wherever they may be. Gawin nating ligtas ang lahat ng membro ng ating komunidad mula sa mga kalsada at publikong lugar, sa trabaho, sa paaralan, hanggang sa cyberspace. Ating patunayan na ang Pilipino ay may respeto at maging bahagi ng komunidad kung saan ay walang haras dahil sa safe spaces. Kasali tayo!